Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's project, I'm going to be using the Dots Meet Dashes small rectangles, and then also the Dots Meet Dashes large rectangles, the Warmest Wishes and Heartfelt Notes dies, and mainly the round oval one here. And then the stamp set is Lucky Break, and I'll be using the cute little gambling critters. Okay, so I'm going to just color these off camera, and I'll be right back. So here are the images all colored up. Used Copic markers, and I just used just a few colors just to color the cat and the fox. And then I colored also some coins here, and the sentiment is may the odds be ever in your favor. So those are the images. This is an A2 size card. I'll be making it into a shaker card, so I have some gold sequins here and some star sequins. And then here are the Dots Meet Dashes large and small rectangles. I used some pattern paper, and then I used the second to the largest in the large rectangles to cut the center paper, and then the largest of the small size to cut the green cardstock. And then I adhered those two papers together, and then I used the oval die here to cut my window, so it looks like that. And then I just used the die from the large rectangles to cut the acetate sheet here, so that it's a perfect fit when I adhere it to the window. So let me just do that real quick here. And I'm just using some regular tape adhesive, and I'm going around the perimeter of that window opening. And then I go ahead and center the acetate sheet and adhere it. So it looks like that. And then it's going to go right here. I'm going to apply some, adhere it to the card with foam adhesive tape. But before I do that, I'm going to adhere the characters already. So here is the cute little fox. And I'm just using some liquid adhesive here to apply the images. So I kind of want her to cover the window, but not all the way. And then the guy on the chair, the cute little cat, I'm gonna go ahead and put him on the left side like so. The sentiment right here, go ahead and put some glue, and I'm going to place this right on the bottom center there. And I'm just going to tuck it a little bit underneath of those images, like so. And then these coins that seem like they're flying up in the air, I'm just going to randomly put that behind the sentiment and behind the characters. The stamp set comes with two of the coins, one flying to the right and then one flying to the left, so you're not stuck with just one direction when you're putting the coins. So I think I'll put another one kind of like, right there, and then the last one behind this guy, or coming out, that guy. Okay, so that is what the finished product looks like. And then I'm going to apply some foam adhesive tape on the back of the card, or the window. And this is, I think this is 1/2 inch width, and then the height or the thickness of the foam tape is about 1/8 of an inch. So I just want to make sure that the foam tape is touching each other, or as close to is as close to each other as possible, so that there's not any gaps to where the sequence will fall out. I have a little gap there, so let me just try to cut a piece to close that off, because that sequence will, I'm sure, will find a way to escape. So go ahead and peel off the backing of the foam tape, and then I'm going to add some of the gold round sequins here. Kind of looks like coins, and then just for fun add some stars like so. Make sure it's nice and flat or flush to the card, and then I'm going to center, or try to center, my shaker window there. And then also I think I'll just maybe put some stars on the card here. And then that's pretty much going to complete my card. So I hope you guys like this quick shaker card using the critters from Lucky Break and using some of the standalone dies that are from Penguin Palace. So that is my card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.